When I learned colors in French, I was this size, around 3 or 4. For my parents, I'm sure that was an everyday challenge. But today we are going to learn colors in French using something I really like, la mode, fashion. We are going to see how to say red, blue, green, yellow in French using outfit. And at the end of this video, we're going to mix and match this color to look belle. Because if you miss just one match, you got the point. Let's start with rouge, red, rouge, rouge. This dress is rouge, rouge in one tone. You can also have different tone of rouge. Rouge clair on top, rouge clair, that means light red. Rouge clair. At the bottom, she's wearing rouge foncé, dark red. Rouge foncé, foncé, rouge foncé. So let's see what is our next color. Bleu, blue, bleu, bleu. As you can see with our models, we have different type of bleu. And now we are going to see vert, green, vert, vert. This handsome man wears a costume vert, a green suit, costume vert, vert. The next model wears two tones of vert. The top, vert clair, light green, vert clair. The bottom, vert foncé, dark green, vert foncé. As you see, it's easy to remember with people wearing beautiful colors. So let's finish with jaune, yellow, jaune, jaune. You can wear jaune in one tone or in different tone, just as our models. We have learned 4 colors so far: rouge, bleu, vert, jaune. So now let's mix and match them together to look belle and even to make our half one look beau. The first match is vert et jaune, green and yellow. Our first model is wearing a complete vert suit. She adds a small touch of jaune. Our second model is wearing half-half. Half jaune, half vert. Jaune, vert. The second mix match is rouge bleu, red and blue, rouge bleu. Looks at our next model. She looks fresh and belle in rouge and bleu. For the finish line, we have vert et bleu, green and blue. You can play with these two colors just as they did. Vert, bleu, bleu, vert. Just have fun with these two colors. Let's finish now with bleu et jaune, the last color for the mix and match. Bleu et jaune, blue and yellow. Blue and yellow can be a bit risky, but you can wear this color just like them. It's finished for today. I hope you enjoyed these fashion colors. Rouge, bleu, vert, jaune are now 4 colors you know in French. You can like the video, comment and subscribe to the channel. Merci beaucoup, à très bientôt, au revoir.